determined to the point where I'm risking my freedom.
Just last week, 22-year-old Tavia Marlatt was willing to risk arrest, refusing to leave Vancouver General Hospital after an 8-day assessment of her severe, life-threatening epilepsy.
And they're monitoring my seizures. Hey.
Tavia didn't want to return to her family in Langley until the local health authority, Fraser Health, put an in-home care plan in place so her mother wouldn't have to take unpaid leave from work to make sure Tavia didn't convulse and die.
We got the padded flooring in.
Fraser Health had said there was no provision for individualized funding, and Tavia could instead go into institutional care or a group home. Now Tavia has ended her sit-in, cautiously claiming victory after getting reassurances her protest has been heard.
I hope that, that Fraser Health follows through with what they said they would. So I'm leaving in good faith.
In a statement to CBC News, Fraser Health confirms it met with the family on Friday to work on a plan to support the patient's needs with expanded care options, and it hints at greater flexibility for others, writing, "Every patient is unique, and we continuously look to deliver the best health and care plan for all."
Stella! Ooh.
Tavia is now happy to be back home in Langley with her puppy and her family, mother Renee and 9-year-old sister Isabella. She hopes her hospital sit-in has made its point and that in future Fraser Health will offer more care options for patients rather than put them in boxes.
I hope that they've learned that they need to update the system a little bit.
For Tavia, that means funding for a caregiver to watch her 8 hours a day, Monday to Friday, so her mother doesn't have to stay home.
To be able to, at the very least, just be able to go to work and know that Tavia is safe is indescribable.
Tavia is surprised at what she's been able to accomplish.
I'm a little bit in shock because nobody really ever listens. So I didn't know that all this would lead to this.
Tavia says her fight isn't over. She plans to keep up with her activism on behalf of epilepsy sufferers and anyone else who falls through the cracks of BC's healthcare system. Eric Rankin, CBC News, Vancouver.